love that. Which way do you want to go? Right leads... Left... Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Well done! Thanks for helping out. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Drag it onto the blue spot. That's the way! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! We all love your train set. Where to now? Forward leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's the way. Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! I love that! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to Brendam Docks. Let's go! Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Good job! Great! We're always happy to help. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Forward leads to... The lava steamworks are just ahead. Lights out. Lights on. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. Great! Thanks a lot for your help.